Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to display Windows in full screen mode on VirtualBox. Click Devices, click Insert Guest Edition CD image. Click Run VBox Windows Editions. Click Finish to reboot now. Click View, click Full Screen Mode. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.